This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the tachymeter is present and the chronograph clears to 0. Start on a known distance, 1 km or 1 mile, because the scale converts seconds to speed based on that length. Once at the starting line, press the chronograph pusher exactly as you pass the marker. You do this now because an accurate start eliminates major error. Make sure the watch sits flat on your wrist to avoid parallax when reading the seconds hand. Once done with the start, keep your focus on the seconds hand as you approach the finish. When you cross the end marker, stop the chronograph immediately. You will read the point where the seconds hand meets the tachymeter scale. The number on the scale is your speed in units per hour for the distance used. For example, 120 means 120 km/h if you measured 1 km. If the run exceeds 60 seconds, make sure to use a shorter segment. You finish by recording the tachymeter reading and resetting the chronograph so you can repeat or average multiple runs. To average, simply sum the recorded speeds and divide by the number of runs. This gives a reliable operating value. If results wander, check 2 things: consistency of your start/stop timing and that the measured distance is exact. If the seconds hand lags or sticks, make sure the movement is serviced. Otherwise, retry with clearer start and end markers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.